Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let's check out how to understand Cleo's cash advance terms and conditions. Before you accept any cash advance, it's smart to understand what you're agreeing to. Cleo offers transparent free advances, but there's still a few rules that you should know. Step 1. Open the Cleo app and go to Spot Me. Tap into the Spot Me section to review your current limits, eligibility, and repayment setup. Step 2. Tap Learn More or Terms link. Now within Spot Me, Cleo provides a link to its full terms and conditions. Tap this to access the detailed agreement. Step 3. Review repayment policy and grace period. Now understand when Cleo will withdraw the repayments, what happens if there are insufficient funds, as well as whether Cleo allows any grace period. Step 4. Check for any optional tipping or boost fees. Cleo doesn't charge mandatory fees, but you can choose to give a tip or pay for instant delivery. These are optional, not required. Step 5. Understand your responsibilities. Cleo terms highlights your responsibility to maintain an active funded bank account and to notify them if your financial situation changes. Taking a few minutes to review Cleo's terms and conditions ensures that you know exactly how the process works. Now let's cover how you can avoid unnecessary fees with Cleo's cash advance in the next video. That's all for this one. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I will see you in the next one.